Here we have the Ford Fiesta EcoBoost Titanium on a 17 plate in magnetic grey. I'm just going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But as you see from the outside, it's got alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot, and then we can work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we've got that 60/40 split folding rear seat and loads of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and we can run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see it's in great condition the whole way round. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view so that you can see the condition of the seats, which is great. Same as the carpet areas. There's plenty to run through on the inside of the car, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side is the rev counter, and on the right hand side is the speedometer. At the bottom in the middle you'll see the fuel gauge, and then above that the total miles on this car, which are 10,551. You may have seen the information changing whilst I was talking. That can be done with the button on the end of the left hand indicator stalk. Above that it will show you what gear the car is currently in. As this is an automatic, we are in P for park currently. Backing out to the steering wheel, we've got stereo controls on the left-hand side, along with voice activation for the phone. So hitting that button in the middle, asking it to call somebody in your phone contacts list, it will do that without you having to touch the phone at all, once the phone is paired, of course. Over on this side, we have cruise control. Pairing the phone is done with the screen in the center here, and the stereo unit directly beneath it. You'll see that this car's got FM radio. It also has DAB digital radio, as well as AM radio on top of that. And in terms of other ways of listening to music, you can connect up a USB device, as you can see there, and you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. The CD player is at the top of that unit, so you can listen to music via that should you wish to as well. And then working our way down, we've got the climate control. So fans are adjustable on the left, temperature on the right. Turning the air conditioning on is as simple as pushing that button, or you can hit auto and the car will maintain that temperature by adjusting the fan speeds itself, and you can just override that that easily. We've also got a heated front screen and heated rear screen as well. And then the fully automatic gearbox, and directly beneath that we have a 12-volt charging socket and the USB input that I mentioned previously. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.